Good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. Sorry, I got a mosquito right here. Do you guys do this? Do you like try not to look stupid? Well, today I went to the grocery store and it was good. And then I went to the gas station and I went in and I paid $7 on pump number 11. So I went out to pump number 11 and started to pump the gas, and the lady called out to me and said, "We'll go over to pump number 7, okay?" So I said, okay. So I drive around and I drive around 12, 11, 8, and I drive over to the other side and I see pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But I can't find pump number 7. So obviously the lady got confused when I gave her my money, and she thought I wanted to go on pump number 7, but no, I wanted $7 on pump number 11. But she was talking to somebody else at the time I handed her the money, and she just was confused. So anyway, I drove around the gas station looking at every pump. Finally, I found pump number 7. And I felt stupid because all the people were watching me drive around looking for the correct pump. So I got my gas and we're headed out of town. Look at this. Now when I say I'm making it out of town, I mean I really am making it out of several towns. If you live in a metropolitan area, you know that you don't just make it out of one town when you head for the hills. You make it out of several or many towns. Well, here's the list of the towns that I make it out of. When I say I'm making it out of town, I'm making it out of Temecula. I'm making it out of Murrieta. I'm making it out of Menifee. I'm making it out of Canyon Lake. I'm making it out of Sun City. I'm making it out of Romoland. I'm making it out of Homeland. I'm making it out of Hemet. I'm making it out of Banning. I'm making it out of Beaumont. I'm making it out of Palm Springs. Southern California, we got a lot of towns all crammed together. But they're all different towns, so when you make it out of town, you gotta make it out of a whole bunch of towns. Okay, so I just bought a tuna fish sandwich at Farmer Boy. And for $8, it should be pretty good. And it has caraway seeds on it. Mmm. Yep, it's good. I like the way they put tomatoes in there, a little bit of onions, and something they put on the bread that is just delicious. Boy, most expensive tuna fish sandwich I ever had, but it's worth it. What's happening here? Oh my gosh, what is this? Huh, where's all the stuff? It's empty. Somebody put the seats back in the back. Oh, there it is. There's all the stuff that used to be in the Honda Element. Oh, oh, I know what's happening now. Yep, it's time for a new vehicle. So all the stuff is out. But he doesn't care. But he just wants his cushion. He doesn't care what car it's in. So far, there is one tiny little California poppy growing out of the crack in my driveway. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more information and a lot of exciting things going on this channel. So, you know, I'm always telling you that Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. And I'm always encouraging you in peace and joy. And do you know that the joy of the Lord is our strength? Yeah, that's what it says. The joy of the Lord is our strength. The joy of knowing the King of Kings, the Creator of the universe, is our strength. So just remember that this week, that the joy of the Lord is your strength. He will make you strong and give you joy. So we'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Bye.